crossed the equator in this episode. We deserved our shellbacks, but Dolly got stuck and we lost the tuna.
Charles is doing the kitchen.
Always.
Perfect guy in the kitchen.
Cleaning boy.
What do we have for dinner?
We have
Nice fish, eh?
tuna. Tuna and fresh cocoa milk. Super.
The chef is tired. He's laying down. Too much cooking.
Been a big night. Yeah, probably the most tender tuna we've had so far. Fresh.
Trying to get a new one tomorrow. Big one. Woohoo! Happy New Year! The crackers coming!
3, 2, 1, cheers!
Cheers!
Winner. Cheers!
Yes!
Cheers!
All aboard!
Fast
All
boat.
that tone! All good sailing always!
We crossed the equator and are now shellbacks, sons of Neptune.
Again, something lost. Little bit. Slider. Viel mehr. Findet man ein Stück, ist das nächste kaputt. Rob can explain what's happened.
Shy's on track. One of the dollies broke, so it's biting on the track. So, come off the track to eject the dolly. squalls. This is the Doldrums. 7 knots of wind. And very squally. Oh, that was a handy piece.
So, next tricky thing
You want the dolly?
to get the shit out. It's so stuck now.
Oh. Hey Charles, here's the new one. Halyard? Halyard?
It's stuck again. We're ready.
Back up?
Big up.
That's the new one?
Yep.
Alright.
Fast, eh? I can apply for Boris Herrmann. Putting everything back together. Hopefully I have no leftovers. Repair the old one. And then I can finally get my breakfast.
Oh, looking forward to
I'm working on
eggs.
this since over an hour now on the breakfast.
Eggs o'clock.
Wind is picking.
Hopefully not salty eggs this time.
Huh? So, nach diesem aufregenden Morgen in den Doldrums gibt es jetzt erstmal das spezielle, meisterhaft zubereitete Rührei von mir. Ah, das sieht gut aus mit Zwiebeln, Speck, Salami. It's ready to go. So, 5 more minutes and then we are ready for the breakfast. He is our Canadian British guy. You can see that he's a bit British because he's
Made some mistakes.
kind of red,
Some bad
the
choices.
typical British choice.
But,
Which color?
found the
White or
shade.
red?
Found the shade.
And they take always red. Different to the Dutch guy.
Okay. Yeah.
He looks like old cheese, brown.
It smells also like the
maybe
cheese.
yeah, I have to go closer.
Both they like the cheese very much.
Quick nap time. Calm before the storm.
Rob is making his famous fruit salad. So he passed me the ananas. Another ananas. The dragon fruit. Ah, beautiful. A mango. Mango is bingo. Pamplemousse.
Maybe one more mango.
Mango is delicious, so always good. And the mango. So here we have the ingredients for the fruit. I pass them to Rob. Okay, and now he's cutting.
Closer.
Yeah. Wow, that looks nice and delicious.
what it is.
Don't see any jumping.
A big fish.
Unless the hackers.
Oh, he's pulling us.
Whoa, now it's his boat. A little last.
Moving down.
Fish that rip. If we would go backwards.
Big one.
Haven't even seen the liner yet.
Yeah, he comes.
Yeah? Yeah.
Tuna!
Tuna!
Tuna! Yeah, baby!
Oh, what?
Got to be this.
You got it?
Oh, shit! Damn! Come on!
What? Go get it? Fuck. Fuck. Get a hook there. Whoa.
Chase it.
Gotta go for the hook.
Who's on the back?
Yeah, foul hook then. Wow.
Stay there.
Fuck.
Chase it. Bring it out again. Next tuna.
Hook or nothing. It's the perfect tool. Should have dove in.
Yep, my mistake. Wrong choice. Damn.
But it was a nice fight.
Yeah, but
We lost the fish. I used the wrong tool and it still flouted. No wind.